T100 also has digital control system and synergic function. The output current is 40 to 100 amps. Let's take a look at the machine. So here you can choose the size of wire. We have 0.6, 0.8, 0.9. Here you can adjust the current. And here we have a positive and negative. Glad to positive for gas welding, glad to negative for gasless welding. It has a built-in torch. And here we have a belt. It's only 5.2 kilo. It's easy to carry. Let's open the case. Here we have 1 kilo wire spoon, and this is 2-wheel wire feeder. It's very compact design. This model is very popular in the DIY market. If you are interested, please contact us.